Here's how I preserve bananas for 2 years. They're even better than fresh bananas. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks. Do you think bananas are only for eating when they're ripe? Actually, if you know the right way, you can keep bananas delicious for 2 years with a flavor even richer than fresh bananas. Many people are often afraid that bananas will quickly spoil, turn black, or lose their smell. But with this method, all worries will disappear. You only need a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen, such as garlic, bay leaves, peppercorns, along with an extremely simple preservation tip to lock in the flavor and nutrition of bananas. The special thing is that when you open the jar after many months, you will be surprised because the aroma and deliciousness of the bananas are even better than when they were just picked. Let's join me and discover the secret to preserving bananas that are better than fresh right now. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Prepare the bananas. Wash them with baking soda. I would be happy if you write in the comments which country you are watching me from. Rinse under running water. Dry all the bananas. Cut the bananas into 3 to 4 centimeter thick slices. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place on a plate. I used 2 hot peppers. Finely chop the peppers. Put them in a small bowl. I used clean, dry glass jars, 700 milliliter capacity. I put 1 bay leaf in each jar. Pepper, 1 teaspoon for each jar. Garlic, 2 cloves for each jar. Arrange bananas until almost full. Add a layer of chili. Sugar, 1 teaspoon for each jar. Salt, 1.5 teaspoons for each jar. Vinegar, 70%, 1 teaspoon for each jar. Pour boiling water into the jar. Cover the jar. Place the pot on the stove. Line a cloth or towel at the bottom so the jar won't break later. Put the banana jar in the pot. Pour water in. Sterilize for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the pot. Cover tightly. The jar lid must be completely sealed. Absolutely no air can get in. We can store in a cool place for 2 years. The storage conditions must be correct. We have cool cellars under, above ground, of most houses. We keep them there. Failure to follow these instructions may result in product damage. Method 2. Prepare ripe bananas. Do not choose bananas that are too soft or too ripe because they will easily break when soaked. Gently rub the banana peel under running water to remove dust and sap. Put the bananas in a basin of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the basin. Stir well to dissolve the salt. Soak the bananas in diluted salt water for about 10 minutes. Then remove and drain. Put the bananas in a sterilized glass jar, leaving about 2 centimeters above the mouth of the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the pot. Boil the salt water. After boiling, pour hot salt water over the bananas. Use a clean spoon to remove air bubbles. Close the lid of the jar. Place a thin cloth on the bottom of the pot. Put the jar in the pot, then pour in water. Boil gently for 20 to 25 minutes. Then take it out. Let it cool naturally. Store in a cool, dry place. Can be kept for 3 to 6 months at room temperature, or 1 year if refrigerated. Method 3. You can also preserve bananas in the following simple way. Step 1. Wash bananas with salt water to remove the ripening agent. When you first buy bananas, don't rush to put them on a plate or put them in the refrigerator. Bananas are very sensitive to low temperatures. Below 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the enzyme polyphenol oxidase will be active, causing the banana peel to oxidize quickly, forming black spots and causing the banana to spoil quickly. So the first and most important step is to soak and wash the bananas in diluted salt water. This is a small but extremely effective tip to remove the ripening stimulant sprayed on the banana peel, helping the bananas ripen evenly and look beautiful when displayed. Prepare a large bowl of water. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and stir to dissolve. Then gently wash each banana to clean the outer skin. After washing the whole bunch, soak the banana stem in salt water for about 1 to 2 minutes. because this is where the most ripening stimulant is concentrated. If you skip this step, the bananas will ripen quickly, turn black and spoil in just a few days. So don't forget to soak and wash thoroughly. This simple step helps slow down the ripening process, reduce black spots and mushiness, and extend the shelf life by 5 to 7 days while the bananas still retain their beautiful yellow color and natural aroma. Step 2. Soak bananas in baking soda to remove pesticides. After washing with salt water, change the water and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is a very important step to thoroughly clean the banana peel, where dirt and pesticide residue often accumulate. Baking soda helps neutralize acids by creating a slightly alkaline environment in the water. When exposed to chemicals remaining on the peel, especially acidic or fat-soluble substances, baking soda helps break them down and remove them from the surface of the banana. Therefore, although these chemicals cannot be completely washed off with plain water, using baking soda will increase the cleaning efficiency. Gently roll each banana in the baking soda solution so that the peel is evenly exposed. Don't forget to soak the stem, as this is where the most ripening stimulants are contained. Soaking the banana stem in baking soda for about 3 to 4 minutes will significantly slow down the ripening process. After soaking and rinsing, the next important thing is to dry each banana thoroughly, especially the stem. Use a clean paper towel to thoroughly dry the skin and stem until no moisture is left. If left moist, bacteria and mold can grow, and in just a few days, the bananas will mold, ferment, or rot from the stem. Now your bananas are ready for the next step. Step 3. Wrap the banana stem tightly with plastic wrap. After washing and drying the bananas, the next step is to deal with the stem, the area most susceptible to mold and bacteria. Use a clean knife to cut off any blackened or damaged stem. Even a small mold spot can quickly spread to the entire bunch of bananas. Then, wrap the stem tightly with plastic wrap. Use multiple layers to prevent air from getting in. This helps reduce the amount of natural ethylene gas released by the fruit during the ripening process. When the stem is sealed, the ethylene gas does not escape, slowing the ripening process and keeping the bananas fresh longer. At the same time, the banana peel will not turn black. If you want to separate the bananas for later use, you can cut each fruit, but cut it a little higher than the stem. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then use plastic wrap or tape to cover the cut end to prevent air from coming in, to avoid blackening. When storing, bananas should not be stacked on top of each other or placed close to the counter. The best way is to hang bananas. This helps prevent bruising, reduces surface contact, and keeps the banana peels bright and beautiful. If you can't hang them, place them with the bananas curved up and concave side down, the same way they naturally grow, which helps distribute pressure more evenly. And finally, never put bananas in the refrigerator. The cold temperature causes a cold shock that causes the enzymes in the banana peel to react strongly, causing the peel to turn black, even though the inside is still edible. Always store bananas in a cool, room temperature place, away from direct sunlight. With a few simple steps, you can keep bananas fresh longer, avoiding food waste. If the bananas are too ripe and you can't finish them right away, preserve them longer by freezing them. Prepare a food storage container or zip-top bag. Put the bananas in a zip-top bag. Seal the bag and put it in the freezer. You can leave the banana peel on when freezing. Storing bananas this way can keep them for up to 4 months. The peel will turn black after thawing, but the inside will still be sweet and soft, making them great for baking or smoothies. Today's video ends here. If you find the content useful, don't forget to like and follow me. I will share more good content every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.